What's going on, guys? Nightfred87 number 2 here, back with another video, and welcome to Cuphead. This is going to be part 2. Thank you guys for hitting that like button. I can tell that you guys want this series to continue, so we're going to keep going forward. Now we're going to be moving on to the next boss, called the Clip Joint Calamity. Now let's get into it, from Ribby and Croaks. Oh yeah, hooba dooba. Okay, let's go.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
This time we will be doing Mugman, so each and every episode we will change the character. That's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna change the character each and every once in a while, okay? I can't even say my words, my script right, my own words that I'm supposed to say. Come on, Mugman. 2, 3, 4. No! I'm so stupid. Why did I do that? I am so dumb. I'm so dead. If it's Tiger, I'm dead. Okay, we're good. Go again. Almost. Let's go! Annihilated! Oh my gosh, 1 HP, that was so close. Let's go. Mugman with the finish, alright. 147, okay. B minus. That is not good. Okay, moving on. Let's go. Already starting off the video. Ribby and Croaks. Alright, let's move on to this part. I don't want to talk to the fish. We're trying to play the game, okay?
Here comes a spooky pose. And begin.
We already know what they're doing. Parry them. They're pink. Parry the platypus. Parry the platypus. And time that horribly. Parry. Another one. 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 I think we're gonna easily beat this, guys. This is pretty simple from all those other boss fights. Let's go. We did it, guys. Gosh, I don't know how to thank you boys for saving me. Where are my manners? I didn't even introduce myself. I am known as the legendary Chalice. Pleased to meet you. I was searching for magic and got trapped by those ghosts. Speaking of magic, please accept this gift. It should help. There are other mausoleums around Inkwell Isle. I just wonder.
This is sad. She doesn't have a...
Alright. First super. Okay, let's equip this one. Yep, equip menu. Super right there. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna see at the shop if I can get like a shot B, because it says shot B. I wonder if I can like use that. If I have enough coins, or unless I'm poor. Yeah. Moving on. Nope. Yep, we can't get anything because I'm poor. Yeah, goodbye. I'll come back with more money later, okay? Good. Moving on, we're going to the next boss. Is there one over here? I'm pretty sure there is not one. Okay, so yeah, there's not one here. We're gonna have to go back and go against someone over here. Okay. So yeah, we got that. I'm pretty sure. Just same old stuff. Threatening Zeppelin. Let's get into it. We're not taking up too much time, guys.
Here's a real high-class bout.
6 minutes and 12 seconds, okay. And the bull again. And the bull. Well, that's some bull, if you know what I'm saying. Wow. I have lots of questions. Get out of my face. Come here. Oh, you're joking. Did I not hit her? Not too bad. Just some disturbing thing. Oh my gosh. Almost there. 2 HP. Why does it kill to be laughed at? Console battery low. That is not good. How much further? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh. Almost there. Let's go! Annihilated! First try. I'm pretty sure that was first try. Or was it second? I don't know. I have to check this video out later. But let's go! First try! 1 minute and 41 seconds. Mugman, you are killing it. But we still got a B. Because I hardly parried. I need to parry more. I need to be like a pro gamer. But yeah, guys, we're moving on to Hildeberg. I got the Hildeberg contract. Okay. Let's go. Treetop Trouble. Running gun. Now this, I can get more coins at the shop to get a shot B. So yeah. Looking forward to this one. So I have money and I'm not poor.
Here goes.
Let's go. Oh no. I can already tell this is not going to be just some little more. Is that Woody the Woodpecker? Is that Woody the Woodpecker? Come on. No, I want the coin. No, I wanted the coin. Gosh darn it. My goodness, how much more? Oh, I tried to go for that parry. I tried. And I failed desperately. And I'm probably gonna die with only one HP left. I hate these bugs already. They're getting on my nerve. That was close. He was literally right in front of my face. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait, what? I have many questions about that. I did not see that at all. Oh my! Why would he get slaughtered? What did he do wrong? Honestly, what did he do wrong? Oh my gosh, that was close. Oh, way too close. No! Wow, I died to falling off, and I was so close.
Now go.
Yep, let's get this over with. Come on, guys. Oh, Woody the Woodpecker. How you doing? And I miss, of course. Again, I miss again. And I get hit again. And this is the part where I die. How did I miss that? Oh my gosh.
You're up.
Retry. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Okay. 3 HP. Wow, I literally hit him. I seriously hit him. And you're gonna tell me, game, that I didn't hit him. Wow. And of course I get hit by that. Getting tag team. Okay, hold up. No more. No more. No more. Tired of it. No. Oh gosh. Why'd I try to parry that? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Not happening like that. I'm not going down like that. What? I don't know what. You don't deserve that. You don't deserve that. Whatever fellow creature you are. I don't know what creature you are. You're a special creature. Okay, we're gonna keep going. What are we doing here? Let's go. Oh gosh, I thought he got him right there. Let's go. Can we go now? Let's go. Bravo indeed. Well, guys, we beat it. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. 3 gold coins. Decent? Oh, not decent. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Getting a C. Not good. Well, let's go to the store now. Pork Rinds Emporium. We're back at it. Hey. Isn't that Mrs. Piggy back there on the right corner? Can you guys see it? That's interesting. Okay. Let's go to, spread. Let me check something, guys, real quick. Alright guys, we're gonna have to end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Remember, 5 likes, the series will have part 3 the next day. But, basically, 10 likes, double upload. Maybe a new game, or maybe Cuphead if I can't find anything else to do. maybe Hello Neighbor Hide and Seek, if you guys want that. Comment down below if you want it. But yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.